today let's talk about airplane. The airplane is a magnificent invention that changed the way we travel. It was invented by two brilliant men, the Wright brothers, Bill Gore and Orville Wright. They were able to achieve the first successful powered flight on December 17, 1903. That moment changed everything.
The early design of planes were trained simply the wing browser using basic to unster balance and control, and their products were made of mud and fabric. After tons of work, the plane took off from Kitty Work, North Carolina. It was short-lived, but it was the start of modern
airplanes have revolutionized the way we travel and connect with the world. Before airplanes, long-distance travel was arduous and time-consuming. Without them, the world would rely slowly on slower means of transport. Airplanes have made it possible to transfer vast distances quickly, enabling efficient global trade, tourism, and cultural exchanges. They made our work smaller and more accessible, connecting people and places that were once distant.
Beyond that, airplanes have forced exploration and understanding, allowing people to experience diverse cultures, fostering tolerance, empathy, and creating a more interconnected world. This invention has truly reshaped our lives and the way we perceive distance and time. Additionally, the aviation industry has created numerous job opportunities.
The impact of airplanes has been immense. They have transformed industries such as trade and medicine, goods by bands, delivered rapidly across continents, boosting economics. Medical emergencies have been handled with increased efficiency due to our ambulance.
That's it from our side. We hope you enjoyed it. The individuals responsible for this video are Miriam Jocelyn, Keren Alexa, y Alondra Verduzco. We come from the Universidad Autónoma de Sinaloa, Rafael Buena Tenorio. Thank you all for your attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.